I come to you live in my Jeep. Right now, we are in a blizzard. Oh, by the way, this is John Kennedy weather featuring James. It's near whiteout conditions. Let me go to a frontal view of what it looks like right now. I can't even see out my windshield. Oh wait, hold on, wait. Now I can. This is the blizzard of 2012. It is insane. Look at those people walking right there. I don't know how they can walk in this. It is crazy. The governor of Virginia, I believe, is not going to call a state of emergency. No one is sledding because it's not cold, and it is unbelievable. Stay warm, folks.